We are going to cross the river by means of the ramp, isn't it? Oh wow, amazing. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the second day of September, right? Yeah, it's afternoon. It's like 1:08. Yes. Today we 12:56. That's an advancement. Yeah. So we're heading somewhere else. We're gonna go for a drive, and it's been a while. We haven't go somewhere because of the pandemic. And as I mentioned, it's a spring. Is it the springtime? Yes, I like spring. This is one of my favorite season of the year. It's crazy because you can experience like 4 seasons in just a matter of a day or like an hour. Winter, spring, summer, autumn. The weather is really unpredictable. So, and during spring we have a lot of activities, but I'm pretty sure it will be canceled. Like, watching footy is still in there, but we can't watch on live. Some activities in the town or even in the city, and oh, I'm prone with allergies. I took up antihistamine this morning, and look at my eyes. It's just itchy and watery. That's the time of the year that I experience a lot of allergies, and we have the pollen, plus we have the pussycat in there. And hay fever, which is really evident. But yeah, we're gonna manage. So we're heading to, I don't know, pretty close to my old university. So I'll show you if it happens. It's sunny though, but it's windy, and I'm just excited to go out.
It's strange that August is normally our windy month and it wasn't so bad.
No, it's not bad this year. No. In fact, we didn't even put the another blanket, the pink one. So that's the first time though in like 5 years we haven't used that. So, but we turn on the water bill like 30 something or 27.
Well, it stays that temperature all year round, and it has to, because if it gets cold, you can get hypothermia from it.
Hypo, yes, that's correct. Yeah, we will be having lunch somewhere else too. So we'll catch you in there. That's the weather at the moment. Blue skies, windy, and 17 at the moment, which is really cool. Not too cold for me. Beautiful trees. That's the front of the house, as you can see. We need to mow the grass. Are you okay there, sweetie? Yeah, this is the community that we are living here. Very peaceful. There you go. Yeah, we're just putting all the rubbish bin outside because it's rubbish day today, and we don't want to miss it because it's gonna be stinky. We are driving now in the Great Western Highway, and it's a little bit traffic, sweetie. Going town?
You stop the stoplights, honey.
Oh, I didn't notice about it. I'll show you the hospital that I'm working with. So, traffic, but it's not really bad compared to I don't want to mention any particular country, but you know what I'm talking with. So, vehicles in front of us. I'm really not confident driving between two big cars. This is the hospital that I'm working with. It's my off today, yes. And that's the COVID one that we're doing a lot of COVID tests over there. Yes, it's really a lovely day, sweetie. So we don't know exactly where we're going to, isn't it? So surprise! This is a beautiful view while we are driving. You notice that the roads are really wide. We have 4 lanes and no traffic now. We're trying to go out as much as we could. It's been a while.
There's a train going on here.
Yeah, yes. I haven't seen. Where is it? It's a boulevard station. You're right. Yeah, as we're trying to go out more often this time of the year. We're just driving like 40 minutes now, and soon we're gonna show you. What's the name of the road?
It's Hawkesbury Road, honey.
Of the Hawkesbury Road, and it's really narrow, and it's kind of scary to drive there. So I'll show it to you as we drive through. So this is the road that we're talking with. As you can see, a lot of accidents happening in here if you're really careful driving.
When, honey?
Oh, when last time when I'm doing my uni, it has been closed because there was an accident.
That's 3 years ago.
It was, yeah. But we should really cautious. It's just like you're driving going to Baguio.
This Baguio is no worse than this, honey.
Oh, I'm really scared while I'm driving here. Because I drove a couple of times. Oh my goodness, I've got butterflies on my tummy. But left and right while you're driving, it's beautiful. You can see a lot of leafy trees there and the smell of the eucalyptus, especially in the morning. But if it is foggy and it's raining, that's the worst drive you're gonna have. We're driving now in Richmond town. It's a small community, and there's still a lot of activities that you can do in here. Couple of coffee shops and oh, Magda, we're really hungry. We we always join in Magda lobby after our classes, and that is the sign of the university that I went through. Old buildings as well, and you can see on my left the Richmond station. Opposite is the park. I miss this place, to be honest.
I hope you're always honest, honey.
I'm always honest.
You just say to be honest.
I always do. So, busy street, small town, but everything that you need is here because it's close to the university and colleges as well. We have the TAFE here as well.
It's one of the oldest settlements in New South Wales.
In New South Wales, yes.
Lots of historical buildings here, long before the university was here.
Was here, right? As well. I love the architectural design, the mural ones. This is one of the air base in New South Wales.
Honey, it's owned by the Defence Department.
It is owned by
the Defence Department.
Oh, Defense Department. Yeah, a lot of like the C-130 airplanes stationed in here. You can see some of the airplanes there. We're just like driving in the national park. So you've been here a couple of times, sweetie? Oh,
I've been here lots of times before, yeah.
So this is my first time to drive in here, right?
Yep.
I can remember. So
My first time for a long time.
This is my first time, and this is your first time for a long time.
Yep.
I think we arrived here at Wisemans Ferry, is it?
Yep.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, where are we going to? So this is it. Hopefully there will be a nice parking spot that we can park and have
I'm
something
not sure where we go, honey. I want to go
to the loo. Yes,
Is there a hotel there?
that's the hotel. And there's a gasoline station here as well. Oh wow.
Ah, let's go back up there.
Probably just gonna comes back, but right now
Let's
guys,
come back this way, huh?
I'll show you the beautiful scenery once we get out of the car.
Is there a toilet over there?
I'm looking for a toilet.
Is just there?
It's probably that's probably the one. We can park in. I think it's the toilet.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, I can see. Alright, we found a toilet. Oh, I need to stretch up my arms. It's just like an art drive. I really enjoyed it because I'm I'm a nature lover. Beautiful park situated between the town and those cliffs over there. Oh, I love to live in here. So much things to see, and I don't know what is there. It's just like a tennis court, and that's the town itself. You can see some houses and some shops as well, and this is the picnic table. If you buy something for lunch, probably gonna eat here. So we are here at Hawkesbury River, isn't it, Lovey? And we're gonna wait for the ferry to cross the river, isn't it?
Yep.
How they do that? Is there a ramp or
You can see the ferry come across there now, honey. If you look.
can we get out of the car and see? No.
What, here?
Yeah, I don't. Oh, that's the.
Says wait in your car, doesn't it? Remain in your vehicle.
Ew. Well, we're gonna get closer.
We're going to cross it, honey.
We're gonna cross it.
Yeah.
Ew. Wow. So basically, we are going to cross the river by means of the ramp, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh wow, amazing. I'm scared. Oops. So that's the ramp that we're gonna drive through. And that's the river.
Yep.
We're gonna wait for a couple of minutes. I'll show you the river here. Is it really deep?
I don't know, honey.
And we are waiting for the ramp to go through on the opposite side. Over there. And there's a nice view as well. Beautiful Australia.
Yep. It's quite high up there, you know.
I know. So let's just gonna wait. Exciting. I'm really scared. So probably a couple of minutes from now,
I think we're just about to go, honey.
it's gonna go.
Feel the ferry moving?
It's gonna move. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's moving now. It's moving now. So you're gonna release I know the war. Oh, we're moving now. We are passing through now. Oh gosh, it's amazing. So crossing on the river on the other side, we use the ramp. Any types of vehicles, isn't it? Even trucks.
Sorry, honey?
Crossing from here going to the other side, we cross with the ramp, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's open 24 hours a day, except if it is flooding. So you can feel it too. We are crossing now across to the corner over there.
I think we are in the middle of the river now, honey.
Where, oh, don't tell me about it. I'm really scared.
It's not a Filipino ferry, it's not going to sink.
I'm really, because this one is heavy because we have how many cars on your side and at the back, and there's a truck, so I think the river is really deep. Yes, you can see vehicles on the other side too. Now, we're almost touching now. Yes, that's it. Yep. Oh gosh. And we're done. It's open now. Let the alright. Drive. Yes. And as we exit, oh my goodness, it's so, yeah, I enjoyed it, but it's so scary. What if you're stuck in the middle of the river?
All sorts of things have to go wrong.
Alright, but
Worrying about them is utterly unnecessary.
yeah, but you know me. And when we exit, you can see this amazing view. That's it for today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe and smash the red bell icon below so you'll be updated with my upcoming videos. So don't forget to smile, it's free. We're heading back to the Blue Mountains. We're hungry and we'll see you on my next video. Cheers guys.